Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. October 15, 22 variant, and the D syllabus. Question number 11, topic is vectors. So we given A to E starting from A ending at E, so 6, 1. Okay. So it means starting from A ending at E. So this is 6 along x-axis and along y-axis 1. So it's clear. So we need to find the modulus or magnitude of AE. So how to deal with this? Like a Pythagoras theorem, actually, it is like this and like this. This is A, this is an E, and this is 90 degree, and this gap is 6 is 1. So like a Pythagoras theorem. So 6 squared plus 1 squared. So you got a 36 plus 1, 37, and answer, and let me check the answer, what the answer comes. The answer is 6.08 units. Come on, another question. When you talk about AF, H is a midpoint, so this is a midpoint. So how much gap from A to E? What is a vector AE? So this is a half. So AH is a half of AE. Okay, it means H lies in the middle somewhere here. Exactly, is middle point. And FH given. So FH given. This we have, and this is my target. So right, head to tail rule. So I can say that starting from A, ending at H, starting from H, ending at F. So this is our path, and AH is a half of AE. And HF we have already. So AE we have here, okay. And this we have, but this, FH, this HF, when I go backward, so sign changes. This becomes negative and this becomes positive. Half into 6, we got a 3, and 3 minus, we got a 1. And half into 1 is a half, so 0.5. 0.5 plus this, we got a 4. So this is the answer of AF. So we have finished AI part in 2. So let's go for a third part. He's saying here in this question that the ratio is 2:1. So this G divides BC ratio 1:2. So this gap is 1, and this gap is according, this not the scale diagram. That is why it look like different, but anyway, 1:2 ratio. And we need to find GD. So plan is what? GC, CD. CD we have given, and if I get CD, GC, I will finish my question. So first my target is GC. And I taught my student to use the formula is what, technique is what? Vector and ratio technique. We have a shortcut even, but better this way. I am looking for GC, so GC vector is equal to 2 ratios, and BG vector is 1 ratio. Cross multiply. So we can say that 2 times 2 because I'm looking for GC. So GC is equal to 2 times 2 BG. So we got from here. Okay, we can do direct even, but some students get trouble, so I make it easy for them. So it means what is the path? What is looking for GD? So GD is my plan. So GD vector, I can say path G to C and C to D. And this we have a 2BG, and BG is here. Can you see clearly? So it means into 2. So let me write it, or I write like this. 2.50, and CD is -1 and -7. So just matter of typing this, I got a 5, 2 into 5 and 5, 1, got a 4 and 0, and I got a -7. So GD is coming here 4 -7. Okay, and let's go the next part. He's asking prove they are parallel. Why they are parallel? And this and this, and GD is here, so it means this and this. Okay, try to prove why they are parallel. So let's think about it, how we can deal with this. So yes, we have a GD. No link of this, sorry. So FH is here. So I think we can see a link. What is link? Like this into 2, I got a 4, into 2, I got a 7. So there are two techniques. I take the bigger one or smaller one. Better to take bigger one. So I take the bigger one, so GD, like bigger numbers, which bigger numbers involve. Like this, okay. I can say that GD vector is equal, take 2 common out, this becomes 2 and this is a divide by 2. Like when I take 2 common, divide by 2, I got a 4, divide by 2, I got a minus 3.5. You can check even, into 2 match, into 2 match, so correct. And is it match? Yes, perfectly matched, so I remove it and write FH here. So 2 times 2 FH, so GD. So whenever this is called lambda, I taught before vector is equal to lambda times to other vector. So we can say they are collinear or parallel. If letter repeat, common letter, so collinear, not so parallel. Because no letter repeating, F, G, D, F, H, no letter repeating, so parallel. So we can say that hence GD is parallel to FH. So proved. So let's go the last part, and last part is what we have. So let's go for the last part. Okay, we have to find D coordinate, B is given. But in diagram, we have to link B to D. How to reach from B to D? Only one choice we have, and that is B to G, G to D. So let's find BD first. So BD vector, we can say here, B to G and G to D. And B to G is this and G to D is this. So just add them. It gives us 2.4, we got a 6.5 and this I got a negative 7. So BD I got it. But you know, now B coordinate we have and D we want to find. Okay. We have many ways, but best technique starting from B. Let's say this is a B. Okay, 3, 10. So 3 is here and 10 is here. So this is called D, for example, BD. Okay. So this is called head to tail rule. Okay, this I make easy for you. Okay. Let's say B is here, O in the middle, D is here. So what is the linkage? B to O and O to D. And this is called BD. Okay. And let me tell you, always bring O involved because no link is available. So B and D. So best link letter is O. So can I say B to O and plus O to D? You know why I bring O? Because we are, whenever we need coordinate system, let me tell you, the vector OB is writing 3 up and 10 down. This is called column form, vector form. When I convert vector form in a coordinate form, so 3 here and 10 here, and this O automatically goes away. So that is why, so this is, we can get, so that is reason O is compulsory here. So 6.5 and minus 7, and I have B. So this is a 3 up and 10 down. I converted into vector form from coordinate system. So 6.5 and minus 7, it comes this way. So OD vector is equal to, so 6.5 and minus 7 and minus, but hold on, this is a BO, that is OB. So BO means I have to make a minus sign outside. Okay, reason, what reason? Because I tell you, actually when I convert it in vector form, this is, so vector form, OB, vector comes 3 and 10. So always start from O, okay? But here I have BO, so naturally you know this OB. What is the BO? Outside minus sign or inside sign changes, no problem. You write here or you write here, no issue. So then it is a minus sign and here minus minus. So let's continue please, and OD vector gives us this minus minus plus, I got a 9.5, and this plus I got a 3. So if you leave it here, this is called vector form, but I need to convert coordinate system. So D answer comes 9.5 comma 3, and that's it, and question is over. Okay.